Getting money, I'm addicted. Used to riding in that Civic. Bought my down this bitch a Mozzie. Glad I dropped up out of college. Nigga put that work in. Fuck hoes, get money. Dare a nigga try and take that from me. I built this and now I own it. Show me my opponent. You a Iverson, I'm Kobe. Niggas think they know me. Hey.
What's up, fam? It's been a while. I haven't been posting. I've been working. Actually I've been working on the go-kart as well. I'm gonna give you guys a little update of what have I done. I got the steering column done. I made my own steering wheel. What else? You know, I just been welding just little parts, getting it all back together. That's pretty much it. I've been focusing on, you know, buying stuff that I need so I can hurry up and finish it. I'm actually gonna probably finish it today. Won't be drifting unless I find some PCV pipe for the, or PVC pipe for the tires. Gonna be looking for some of that online or somewhere, you know, off-road, somewhere I could probably find them. I gotta look for those. These are my little brakes that I bought. I gotta manage to make a bracket, put a handy brake. Gonna be putting that up today. Getting the motor, getting it running. Got a new carburetor for it. And we are at 80 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have a better idea on how I could improve this go-kart, just go ahead and drop a comment. It should be up and running today. I got the hub and then the disc brake yesterday. Besides that, everything should be fine. Let me see. Here's the disc brake. This one's gonna go in here, so just stay tuned. All right, fam, I finished. It's ready to go. Gas, everything's ready. I'm gonna take you guys for the first run. Yes. All right, watch out. Hammers under you and yeah. It's fine. All right, ready? Yeah. Oh, connect the spark plug. Oh yeah. All right, and then go for it. Oh, that's what cut me. All right, ready? Hold on. All right, yeah. Go for it. Alright, fam, it's running, but I think I'm gonna need a new axle. Let me see, cause this motherfucker almost killed me. Yeah. Yeah, I should have stopped to get more gas, but looks like we're doing fine. as you guys can see in the last little videos, the go-kart took a big fail, but it's okay. That was a couple test runs that I was dealing with. I know what I have to buy now. I'm looking for just a couple little parts, but you know what, forget about it. Like, I'll buy those this week. At the same time, I'm gonna purchase the PVC tubing for the drift tires for it, you know, as long as the, you know, majority of it's running. One big fail was the mechanical brake. Hold on, let me clean this camera. One big fail was the mechanical brake, and like it's like a manual brake. It's not really gonna work out because I have suspension on it, and then when I sit down, the cart extends about an inch, so that means it'll apply the brake by itself. So we won't even be getting into that. So I'm gonna be buying a hydraulic brake, probably like not a hand brake like an e-brake, but a mechanical with the lever on it, with the bike brake. That's gonna be my next option. I'm gonna purchase a different axle. Same thing, 1 inch. Just this one came out a little bent, but you know, no worries. Axles are not that expensive. They're like $25 to $40 depending on the size you want. I'll buy a good size, and then after that I'm gonna buy, that should be it, just the axle and the hydraulic brake, and after that we should be good to go. I'm gonna be taking off the old brake, welding it, grinding it off and everything. We won't even be needing that on there no more. Besides that, I think we should be fine after that. I gotta mess a little bit with the steering because it's locking up every time I turn to the right, but I do to that. I think that's due to it has to also do with the axle, but it's okay. Those will be little things for right now. Actually, I need to get this Miata moving. I need to get it out the way. Just make sure you guys wear, you know, safety equipment. Don't be like me. I'll be freaking all impatient and not be wearing no safety gear. So you guys see the trunk, I gotta get rid of this old battery. Things all messed up over here. I gotta clean all this out. If somebody needs 1.8 brakes, go ahead and let me know, because I don't even use them. During the summer while the car was sitting, I think the battery tends to get hot and start leaking all of its acid out. As you guys can see, this thing's a mess. I gotta throw all this. Fast forward onto everything right here, so you guys be ready for this one. And let's go. It's done. That was pretty easy. Yep, I technically took everything out. Freaking cleaned it out, washed it up, and then threw some rubber coating in there. Now it's nice and dry. Now that since the Miata got some attention, let's go back to over here, see what we got dealing over here. I've been wanting to do, but I haven't done. Nah, yeah, I was gonna throw a Lucky Charm on there. I'm gonna make my own little Lucky Charm. Not Lucky Charm, Drift Charm. Put it back there. I'm gonna go buy a little like metal ring and throw a little strap on it. I gotta buy some more parts. That's gonna run me about another $100 to like $120. So now it went from like a $350 bill to like a $450 bill, which is still not bad because at first I estimated around $900. So we're still good. No worries about that. I got plenty of metal left to fabricate some stuff. I am gonna end up taking everything back out, cutting up that freaking brake mechanism that I built, get something a little bit better. Besides that, everything's good. Suspension's good, everything's running solid. So just like I said, I just gotta go ahead and buy the other brake mechanism and we'll be good to go. Besides that, everybody have a good weekend. Take care. Drive safe out there. You know, if you're at the track, make sure you guys got your safety, your harness, everything. Make sure you guys got your helmets. Stay safe out there because, you know, life is short. I really appreciate it. Oh, snap, almost broke a toe. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to me and freaking shouting me out and all that. So take care. If you guys want a free sticker, go ahead and let me know. I got stickers, I got a fat stack of stickers. Besides that, we're like 20 subscribers away from the next giveaway. If you guys want to go ahead and support the build, throw some comments, let me know about my build. If you guys have any better ideas or any websites that I could buy parts off of, that'd be great. That's mainly why I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe. I want to make sure if you guys have some info about me, that'd be great. So thank you guys for subscribing. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be on the link on the description. I'm stuttering right now because I'm still half asleep. It's the next day. I wasted all night trying to get this thing up and running, but looks like we're gonna have to buy some parts. After we buy those parts, we'll be good to go. You guys have a safe weekend and peace.